salespeople, it doesn't matter who you are. You know, you're point A and you're going to point B, and the prospect is point B. Right. So when I'm selling, it doesn't matter what I am. I have to know what I am so I can counter, but I have to adapt to them. If I'm selling to a high C, I'm not going to get that sale if I just treat them like they're a low C like me.
Yep.
It's not going to likely work, or it's greatly reduced, the odds are.
Yeah.
So there's the one exception. But that's okay. You know, for those few minutes or even hours collectively that you're interacting with that individual, that's adaptation. And I can stand up and say, you know what, I normally would want to go a hell of a lot faster, but I know I'm dealing with a high S and a secondary C. So I got the 3-touch sale. You know, as the lady in Alabama told me once, let me sit with it a while, son. You know, it's the 3-touch sale. First place S's, late adopters, slow, methodical. They're going to want to get comfortable with something. I'll have the first discussion and then put it out there. And no pressure other than when do we meet again. Second time, a little bit further into discussion, maybe broach the topic of closing a decision the next call. And that third call, I can maybe now start to expect them to kind of close something. That would drive me crazy. But I'm okay adapting for those 15 minutes I'm interacting with them to meet them, because the customers will buy in their natural state. If they're having to adopt or adapt or modify or get out of their comfort zone, the further out of their comfort zone they are, the further away conversion is.